The electric bike revolution is moving at a pace that few could have predicted even just a few short years ago. But while many manufacturers are focusing on ultra-premium carbon fiber builds that cost as much as a small car, a few brands are doing the heavy lifting for the everyday consumer. Today, we are looking at a brand that has consistently managed to strike a delicate balance between high performance and aggressive pricing, and that is Jasion. With their latest lineup, Jasion isn't just releasing a new model, they are launching a strategic pair of e-bikes designed to cater to the his and hers market, providing a matching set of high-speed, all-terrain machines that won't break the bank. This dual release represents a significant moment for the brand as it seeks to dominate the budget-friendly segment by offering features that were once reserved for bikes double the price. At the core of this new lineup is the philosophy that speed and utility should be accessible to everyone. The two models in question are built on a similar mechanical platform, but offer distinct ergonomic choices to suit different rider preferences. For the gentleman or the more traditional rider, we have a high-stepped frame that emphasizes structural rigidity and a classic mountain bike silhouette. For the lady or those who prioritize ease of access, there is the step-through variant, which offers a lower standover height without sacrificing an ounce of the performance found in its sibling. This approach is a masterstroke in marketing, acknowledging that couples often want to ride together but have different requirements when it comes to getting on and off the bike. Under the hood, or rather within the rear hub, these speed demons are powered by a robust 750-watt brushless motor that can peak even higher during demanding climbs. This isn't just about moving from point A to point B, it's about doing it with authority. The acceleration is punchy, designed to get you up to a top speed of 28 miles per hour with ease. In many regions, this puts these bikes at the very edge of Class 3 e-bike regulations, offering the maximum legal thrill allowed on the road. The torque delivery is smooth yet decisive, allowing riders to tackle steep inclines that would leave traditional cyclists breathless. Whether you are navigating city streets or exploring gravel paths, the power on tap is more than sufficient to turn a grueling commute into a genuine joyride.
Range is often the Achilles heel of budget e-bikes, but Jasion has addressed this with a high-capacity 48-volt lithium-ion battery that is neatly integrated into the frame. This battery isn't just there for show, it offers a substantial range of up to 40 miles on a single charge when using pure electric mode, and significantly more if you are willing to provide some pedal assistance. For most urban commuters, this means several days of riding before needing to plug in. For weekend explorers, it means the freedom to venture deeper into the woods or further down the coastline without the nagging fear of running out of juice. The battery is also removable, allowing you to bring it inside for charging while leaving the muddy bike in the garage or at the bike rack. The most visually striking feature of these bikes is, of course, the fat tires. Equipped with 20-inch by 4-inch puncture-resistant tires, these machines are built for much more than just smooth asphalt. The massive contact patch provided by the wide rubber offers unparalleled stability and traction. On sandy beaches, through muddy trails, or over loose gravel, these bikes stay planted and confident. The fat tires also act as a primary suspension layer, absorbing the small bumps and vibrations that would usually rattle a rider's teeth on a standard thin-tire bike. To complement this, Jasion has included a front suspension fork with adequate travel to soak up larger hits, as well as a rear suspension setup on certain trims, to ensure a plush, cloud-like ride regardless of the terrain. Ergonomics and ride quality have clearly been a focus for the engineering team. The handlebars are adjustable, allowing riders of various heights to find their perfect geometry. The seats are wider and more cushioned than your typical sports saddle, acknowledging that these bikes are meant for long, comfortable excursions rather than just short sprints. The cockpit features a bright, easy-to-read LCD display that provides all the vital telemetry at a glance. You can track your current speed, total distance, battery levels, and the level of pedal assist you are currently utilizing. This level of data integration helps riders manage their energy and plan their routes with precision. Safety hasn't been overlooked in the pursuit of speed. Both models come standard with high-performance mechanical or hydraulic disc brakes, depending on the specific package selected.
Given that these bikes can reach nearly 30 miles per hour, having reliable, fade-resistant stopping power is non-negotiable. The brakes offer a progressive feel, allowing for gentle slowing in traffic or emergency stops when the situation demands it. Furthermore, the integration of bright LED headlamps and a rear brake light ensures that you remain visible to motorists and other cyclists during dawn, dusk, or nighttime adventures.
One of the most practical aspects of Jason's latest offering is the folding mechanism. Despite their rugged appearance and heavy-duty performance, both the high-step and step-through models can be folded down into a remarkably compact footprint. This is a game-changer for those living in apartments or those who want to transport their bikes in the trunk of a car without needing to invest in a heavy-duty hitch rack. The folding hinges are reinforced and feature safety locks to ensure that the bike remains rock solid while in motion. It takes less than a minute to go from a fully functional off-road beast to a storable unit, making these some of the most versatile e-bikes on the market today. When we talk about being budget speed demons, we have to mention the price. Jason has managed to position these bikes at a price point that is genuinely disruptive. By optimizing their manufacturing process and focusing on direct-to-consumer sales, they have eliminated the middleman markups that often inflate the cost of electric mobility. This makes the dream of owning a high-performance fat-tire e-bike a reality for a much larger segment of the population. It isn't just a purchase, it is an investment in a new way of life that promotes outdoor activity and eco-friendly transportation. In conclusion, the new Jason His and Hers lineup is a testament to how far e-bike technology has come. These aren't just toys, they are capable, fast, and incredibly fun machines that offer a level of freedom that is hard to match. By providing specialized frames for different riders while maintaining a unified, powerful drivetrain, Jason has created the perfect package for couples who want to explore the world together. They are rugged enough for the trails, fast enough for the streets, and affordable enough for almost anyone. As the 2026 season kicks off, these budget speed demons are set to become a common sight on trails and city streets alike, proving once and for all that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a world-class electric riding experience.